Now, the truth of what really happened in the Rajya Sabha on Wednesday is out. On your screens here is a footage that shows exactly what transpired in Rajya Sabha yesterday, while the women opposition MPs claim that they were heckled and manhandled by the marshals, women marshals. Footage here clearly shows how a lady marshal was assaulted and manhandled while trying to stop a woman MP. In fact, women MPs can be seen pushing the lady marshal, trying to shove her aside to move towards the well of the house. Now, the opposition, however, denying what's been established on camera, claiming that the lady marshal wasn't assaulted, but instead, the women opposition MPs were manhandled by these marshals.
हमको पता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी झूठ बोलते हैं। प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब झूठ बोल लेते तो उसका पार्टी का सबको झूठ बोलना आता है। पीयूष गोयल जी लीडर ऑफ हाउस बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, उन्होंने भी झूठ बोलते हैं। तो सारे के सारे झूठ बोलते हैं। अभी भी जैसे वीडियो आपको दिया, कौन सा एमपी है उसको चेहरा आपको पता नहीं चलेगा। तो झूठ में ऐसा ही होता है, एमपी को चेहरा पता नहीं चलेगा वो, लेकिन वो झटक रहे से वो पता चलेगा। तो झूठ है। सच तो ये है कि हम नहीं, लेकिन हमारी तरह 4 महिला एमपी मेल मार्शल की तरह बुलडोज हुआ। मार्शल का कोई कसूर नहीं है। तो जब लीडर ऑफ हाउस ऐसा इंस्टिगेट करेंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे।
और यहाँ तक कि एक मार्शल का गला दबाने की कोशिश
सरकार कहती है, अगर आप उसी को सच मानते तो मान लो। हम तो आई विटनेस है, देखे हैं, और पूरे राज्यसभा के मेंबर देखे हैं, और आपके फुटेज को आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं सबको मालूम है। तो इसीलिए हम ये चाहते हैं कि वहाँ फोर्स आई कैसी। इतना नॉर्मल मार्शल्स तो वहाँ नहीं थे और इतने महिलाएं भी नहीं थी। तो ये जो काम आपने किया है, अगर गलती की है तो यस बोलिए।
Now, let's toss across to these women MPs who claim that they were attacked, they were manhandled yesterday in the parliament. Maushmi Singh speaks with some of them. Listen in.
आपके साथ क्या हुआ मैम? आपको धक्का भी दिया गया, चोट लगी आपको?
मार्शल के पास गए थे, वहाँ तक मेल मार्शल थे और फिर फीमेल भी थी, लेकिन फीमेल 2 ही लोग खड़े थे। मेल लोग महिलाओं के साथ धक्का दिए हैं और धक्का दिया और मैं गिरी। ये मोदी सरकार में महिलाओं के साथ इतना बड़ा दुर्व्यवहार होता है। सांसदों के साथ सदन के अंदर महिलाओं को बिल्कुल इज्जत नहीं करते, इज्जत नहीं होती। जो जिस तरह से बेसुलूकी के साथ हरकतें करते हैं, और मोदी जी डर के मारे 1 महीने से सदन चला है, आज तक आए नहीं।
ऐसा अग्रेशन कब हुआ? मतलब मार्शल कब आने लगे, क्या हुआ बताइए आप एकदम से।
वो तो प्री प्लानिंग से आए थे, उनको लग रहा था कि हम बिल चलने नहीं देंगे, और एकाएक बिल लाते हैं। पहले से कोई पता नहीं रहता, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं रहता, अचानक बिल ले आते हैं। तो अचानक बिल लाएंगे तो कैसे कोई तैयार होगा, कैसे एग्री होगा? बिल में हम स्टडी करेंगे तब तो बोल पाएंगे। तो इनकी हमेशा से आदत है, अचानक से बिल ले आते हैं और पास कराना चाहते हैं।
ये जो शब्द इन्होंने यूज किया है, इनको अपॉलॉजी करना चाहिए। महिलाओं को नंगा वंगा इस तरह की कैसी बात कर सकते हैं?
इस तरह का शब्द उन्होंने
प्रयोग किया ऑपोजिशन के लिए, और ये महिलाओं की उपस्थिति में इस तरह का शब्द प्रयोग करना, ये हमारे लिए बहुत आक्षेपार्ह है।
Let me cut across now to Anand Patel joining us for more. Anand, according to what the opposition says, they say this video is not the full picture. There's a lot that's happened, but here's a video nonetheless that shows very clearly that the opposition was involved in manhandling one of the women marshals there. And it's very clearly visible in this video here, where you see a woman MP literally dragging, shoving a woman marshal there from one end to the other, only because she wanted to move towards the well of the house. Now, of course, the identity of this woman MP is yet to be established. Not too sure who she is. And so far, no revelation has come either from the government or the opposition as to who's that lady who's pulling the woman marshal, quite literally assaulting her. This is nothing short of assault. Look at the way she's pulling her, shoving her from one end to the other, dragging her out of that human chain that's been created by some of those marshals who were inside trying to restrict many of those protesting MPs to come towards the well of the House. Remember what happened 2 days ago? You had the Congress MPs throwing the rule book at the chairman's seat. Very unruly behavior. Eventually, marshals were called in. Of course, this has not gone down well with the opposition. Friction started right from the point that the marshals entered the Rajya Sabha, and now you have a video that's emerged showing very clearly a woman MP dragging a female marshal literally from one end to the other, manhandling her, roughing her up, almost going against all the claims that they have made that women of the opposition were assaulted. Anand Patel for more on that. Anand, you spoke to many of the opposition leaders and we've been hearing you for the last 2 hours. Opposition very clearly saying that women of the opposition party were manhandled, they were roughed up. And this was absolute pandemonium, and it was all the responsibility of the government because they are to blame since they did not allow discussions and disrupted all that talk that they wanted to initiate, be it on the Pegasus issue, the farm laws, rising fuel prices or unemployment, none of which the government wanted to discuss, and that's why this ended up in a ruckus situation. But here we're looking at assault, manhandling of a woman, being roughed up. The video here very clearly showing that it was one of the opposition MPs who roughed up a female marshal. What's the fact behind this video?
Well, Nabila, yes, very unfortunate video. What we can see as of now, the video forwarded by the government. The government is saying that at least 2 women MPs tried to drag a lady marshal from the well of the House towards where the seats are so that they can barge in towards the sanctum sanctorium. There is no doubt about the authenticity of the video. It's been released by the government itself. But nonetheless, what the opposition is saying, Nabila, let's look at that. The opposition in its memorandum, which was given, just a little while ago to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is also the vice president of the country, it clearly says that there should be an inquiry. I mean, that inquiry, members from both opposition and the centre should be there. And then entire situation which played out yesterday, that should be investigated. And in that, the video recording of the proceedings and also what happened after the House got adjourned, that should also be brought out so that the entire picture is clear. Selective videos are being released. This is what the opposition is saying. Selective videos are being released to tarnish the image of the opposition MPs. Now, this must have been some kind of an action from the marshals which prompted and angered the MPs and who resorted to, such acts. Clearly condemnable, deplorable. All we can say that because video is available showing that the opposition MPs are dragging a lady marshal. But what happened before that? Was there more, to what than what we are witnessing, what we are seeing in the videos? So those videos are not available. So unless and until we see the full picture, it will be difficult to comment and pinpoint as to who was at fault. So clearly this is what the opposition has been maintaining right since morning, that marshals who are present inside the House are a different set of marshals who are very well known and acquainted to the MPs who attend the House. These marshals who were brought in yesterday specifically due to the ruckus, those MPs were not known to them. They were new faces, and that's the reason why this entire scuffle between the MPs and the marshals took place. So there is more to than what meets the eye, and that is the reason why we need to have a full inquiry. This is what the opposition is saying, to get to the bottom of what exactly happened yesterday.
All right, Anand, do stay with us. We have some more information coming in from the government. In fact, the government sources have now put out a minute-by-minute account of what transpired in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. I'm going to take you through those details. 6:02 p.m. TMC MPs Dola Sen and Shanta Chaturvedi kept shouting democracy killed in the well of the House. 6:22 p.m. Dola Sen obstructed the way of the leader of the House and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi. 6:26 p.m. Nasir Hussain, Priyanka Chaturvedi and Aprita Ghosh tore papers in the well of the House. 6:31 p.m. Devi Neetham and Chaya Verma, both from the Congress, pushed, dragged the lady marshal, banged her head. And that's what you see in the visual there. 6:33 p.m. Ripun Bora from the Congress climbed on the marshal and tried to reach the chair. Very unfortunate sequence of events, and here you have it. The government now putting out a detailed minute-by-minute account of exactly what transpired in the Rajya Sabha, which eventually ended up in absolute mayhem and of an assault of a female marshal that you see on your video, and that video here on our screens. And here the blame, of course, now all focus on the opposition party for creating this kind of pandemonium, not undermining what may have happened before and after. But what happened here in this video is absolutely shameful. Polmi with more on that. Polmi, from what we hear and see and the account given by minute detail of what exactly transpired at the well of the house by the government, shows very clearly here that Devi Neetham and Chaya Verma, both from the Congress, pushed the lady marshal, dragged her, shoved her from one end to the other, banged her head. And that's what you see in the visual here. So insulting, absolutely criminal, and a case must be filed with this regard.
Absolutely. The government, of course, are making very serious charges against the opposition and members of the opposition, specifically in that CCTV footage which has been released by the government. You can see that as far as the government is concerned, they've put out visuals of Congress members of Parliament, Chaya Verma from Chhattisgarh and from Chhattisgarh as well, who are manhandling the lady marshal, almost dragging her, banging her head as well. And in fact, the government says that they tried to, Fulo Devi Neetham tried to in fact put her arm around her neck, almost trying to strangle her, which were the words used by Piyush Goyal, the leader of the House, when he spoke in his concluding remarks in the Rajya Sabha yesterday before the House was adjourned, sign and die. So the government putting out a point-by-point sequence of events as they transpired post 6 p.m. after the passage of the OBC bill in the Rajya Sabha. They said that Dola Sen tried to in fact obstruct the way of the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and Piyush Goyal.
All right, I'm going to try and connect her back, but let me quickly go across to Gaurav Bhatia joining us, a BJP spokesperson. Gaurav, here you're looking at visuals here. Of course, the government, in its defense, putting out minute-by-minute detail of what exactly transpired in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. That shows very clearly in this video, and as per the government's report, that two leaders, Devi Neetham, Chaya Verma, both of them from the Congress party, pushed and dragged this lady marshal, shoved her, banged her head. How is it that a complaint hasn't been filed as yet?
The video clips that are out in the media reveal a lot. It exposes the ugly face of the opposition, the face of an anarchist, face of an opposition which does not believe in the sanctity of the parliament and will of the people. And it is important that now these parties and the unruly MPs should be punished. And when you say why a complaint has not been registered, I would like to tell you that under the Constitution, the House operates under the rules of the House. And the chair has to take appropriate action. And I'm sure in this case, cognizance would have been taken. And in our democracy, there is no place for such member of parliaments who are behaving like hooligans. The sad part is that when the MPs of Congress as well as Aam Aadmi Party were asked whether they regret their behavior, they came forward and they justified it and said that they will repeat it again. The people of the country have no faith in the opposition of our country. And it is clear that this unruly behavior is unpardonable and strictest of action will be taken against them.
Mr. Bhatia, while that's said and done that this is not pardonable at all, you've got to file a complaint at the earliest. In fact, the lady marshal must take this up legally. On the other hand, you have the opposition claiming that this is selective defense. This is just one video put out of an entire session that unfolded of absolute pandemonium, pinning the government responsible for this kind of mayhem and all the heated emotions. Why not release the entire video?
See, first of all, Parliament is an autonomous institution. So let us understand the difference between the parliament and the government. Second, the Lady Marshal was doing her duty. The duty which was not done by the member of parliament who was supposed to deliberate and discuss. And when you say that it is the government that has to file a complaint, let me just tell you, the Constitution prescribes that the proceedings of the House are sacrosanct, and the House is the only body that can take any action for such unruly behavior as well. So I think keeping the spirit of the Constitution alive, let the House take the decision, and that should be respected by all. And the last point that you made, that the video footage has been selectively shared, let me make it very clear, whether it is selective or whether it is the whole video. Can anyone justify this hooliganism, this anarchy that is prevailing? These MPs should come forward to explain their conduct, and I think that is very important.
Right, Mr. Bhatia, of course, this is for the House to decide what kind of action to be taken, but also the woman marshal here must raise the issue. Undoubtedly, even if this is a selective video, one can't justify what we just see here, a footage that shows absolute assault of a woman marshal where she's been dragged from one end to the other. Two Congress netas, two Congress MPs, women MPs there, pulling her, dragging her, shoving her, only so that they can approach towards the well of the House, which the woman marshal was blocking off to ensure that there's some kind of order maintained in the House. Here the opposition says this is a selective video that's out. Why not release the entire footage? I'm going to take a short break. We'll be right back with more on this on the other side. Stay